Hi friends, this is Santosh Kumar from Quality Zone Infotech, and today we are discussing about keyword. Actually, this is my second video about the keyword topic, and before couple of days I have uploaded a video in which I have discussed about various types of keyword, and I have described every keyword with example. And this is the second video in which I will tell you that how to research the keyword and how to choose the keyword for your new website or your YouTube video. So friends, as you know that there are lots of tools where you can find the keywords for your website, but these are the paid tools, like as we know that SEMrush and ahref.com. So these are the top most websites where you can find the keywords, but these are the paid tools. Apart of these tools, I'm just giving you today a free tool where you can get the keywords, which keywords are taking good volume on the Google. By this tool, you can get the trending keywords which are mostly searched by user on Google. Let's start the video and you can watch my screen. So I have opened a website which is keywordshitter.com. Okay. And friends, by this free tool, you will get top Google searches and trending keywords and free of cost. Okay. So let's see how it's working. So suppose I need some keywords related to yoga. So suppose I'm writing here a short tail keyword, and after that this will start the processing, and I will get all the keywords which are top trending keywords on Google and users searching those keywords. So let's start. Suppose I'm writing yoga and start the shit keywords. So see, now it's starting working. When I will stop the job, then it will stop. Otherwise I will get more than thousands keywords by this tool. Let me stop this job. So see, I have stopped this job and now it's stopped, and now I have to click on download. Then I will get all the keywords in Notepad. See, its file is downloading. Now here is the list of keyword. So friends, you can get more keywords which are getting good searches on Google. Now you can choose the keywords as per your target audience. So this is the whole process where you can get the good number of keywords by free tools. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and share this video in your friend circle who want to learn free digital marketing online. Thanks. Have a nice day.